In this video, we're going to be looking at conditional probability with two-way tables. So this is what a two-way table looks like, and there's different things going on. So you'll see vertical columns, and you will also see horizontal columns. And when we're looking at probabilities within this, we're really going to be focusing on the bottom of the fraction. That's going to be really, a lot of these are going to be conditional. So our denominator or our sample size is going to be dependent on what it's asking for. So the first thing we want to do is complete the table. And so completing the table, I look, and maybe with DVDs, I see one opening. So the total has to be 24. I already have 16 and 5 of those. I already have 21 of those, so this would be a 3. Based on that, 21 and 3, this total would be 24. So 24 people, or 24 sports videos here. And then also I see videos and DVDs, so that's what, 59. 59 total films. If this is 17 total comedies, 5 of them are DVDs, and so 12 of those are videos. And then ultimately, if we add these guys together, we get 55, 65, 75, and 76. And so we complete the table with the missing values. Now, these are conditional statements. It says one of the items is chosen. The probability of choosing a DVD, and that's out of all of the possibilities. So there's 100 total that we're looking at, and the number of DVDs that we have is 24. There's 24 total DVDs. Now it says just one is chosen out of the 100, and that it's a comedy on video. So we need a comedy and also a video. So there are 12 possibilities that are comedies that are on video. So understanding what each cell means is vitally important. Now, these were both out of 100 because there was 100 total that we were choosing from. The second ones are conditionals. It says a DVD is chosen. So this would be the same as given that a DVD is chosen, what's the probability of it being sport? So given that a DVD is chosen, there are 24 DVDs. So that's what we're looking for. So out of these 24, how many were sports? Earlier, we figured out that 3 of those were sports. So we're only looking at the 24 that were on DVD. And then out of those 24, 3 of them were on sports. So 3 out of 24 would be your probability. Now, a DVD is chosen again. So the number of DVDs, there's 24 DVDs. And now it's saying out of those 24, how many are not comedies? So 5 are comedies. The remainder are not, so 19 out of 24 are not comedies. And so these are conditionals, but again, understanding the conditional, it would say, given that a DVD is chosen, what's the probability of it not being a comedy? Let's look at one more example. Maybe you hit pause here and try the questions and then come back. All right, one of the people is chosen, the probability. So on this first question, it says someone with blue eyes, and that's out of everyone. So there's a total of 30 people being examined here, and how many people have blue eyes? Well, if we look at the blue eyes row here, we see that 13 people have blue eyes. 8 have fair hair and 5 have dark hair, but 13 total have blue eyes. So 13 out of the 30 have blue eyes. Now it says out of everyone, so out of 30, someone with fair hair and blue eyes. So here's fair hair, here's blue eyes. There are 8 people who fit that. So again, both of these questions are out of the total number of people, 30. Now it says given is implied here, that a person with dark hair is chosen. So people with dark hair, there's 15 people with dark hair right here. So out of those 15, how many have blue eyes? So out of the 15, 5 have blue eyes. And then out of the 15, so given that they have dark hair, probability of them not having blue eyes. So out of those 15, 5 have blue eyes, 10 do not. Notice that these are these are complements. So if we added these two together, we'd get 100% of the people. And so that's how we look at two-way tables. A few things to keep in mind. Certainly, is it out of the total on this question? Is it out of 30, or is it out of, given that they have dark hair? So we're shrinking that sample size down, and it's just examining a certain portion of the people. And that's how we look at that.